Hello, this is Kelly Timecat again, and I'm now going to review Don't Make Me Go 2022. So, a brand new film from Amazon Studios and starring John Cho as Max Park and Mia Isaac as Wally Park, who is his daughter. They sort of get on in a way that many teenage daughters get on with their father. Not that great, quite rebellious. Max is not exactly flavour of the month for Wally. And the worst thing is, Max has discovered that he's got a growth on a bone within the base of the brain. It's a really serious condition, and if it's not treated, he'll be dead within a year. There is a possible operation, but I think it was something like 25% chance of survival. The odds were not that great, so he's sort of resigning himself to dying, and he is not really keen. He doesn't know how to tell Wally what's going on, so he's just preparing for the future. He's sort of getting his affairs in order, and he's trying to find out where her mother is, because she split up from him when Wally was very, very young. And it's difficult because the only contact he has is the friend whom his wife ran off with 20 years ago. So it's not going to be easy. So the whole point of the title of the story is Don't Make Me Go, which on the surface means don't force me on a road trip across the United States over to Texas from California, just in pursuit of getting a reconnection with Wally's mum, who may not be interested. So anyway, it's a really sweet film. I loved it. It's emotional. It's quite, you know there's something quite serious going to happen. We're warned right at the start. You're not going to like the ending. So I just thought it was a really lovely father and daughter story. There is a twist as well. It's just really covers a lot of the emotional events of growing up, what it's like being young, what it's like also being in your late 30s or 40, facing mortality. It's just an awful lot going on in the film, and I just thought it was great. So that's all I've got to say. Let me know what you think about the film, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.